So I just got eligible to do affiliates, and this is how you do it. You go to your professional dashboard, you see the affiliate information right there. Click on it and it's going to show that you are eligible, and in there you can actually see all the products that you're eligible for. So once you click the products are going to come up like this. You can see the shops that you can go to. So by clicking on the affiliate area, you see the products that you can shop on. And if you choose one of the products that you want to shop on, for example, I'm going to pick on this Blender Jet recipe book. You can go in there, then you can click on to add it to the cart. It's free shipping. It shows how much commission you're going to get per affiliate, so you know the amount of money you'll be getting back. What I'm doing now is I'm just selecting the cookbook, and then I can now go in there. I can click on add to cart. Up on the top, you'll see where you've added it to the cart, and you can also go on to do your checkout. So when you do your checkout, you're able to check out, put your address in there, put your contact information in there, check out with your credit card, debit card, PayPal, or Shop Pay. Once you do that, you proceed to put in all the information. It tells you when you're going to receive your shipping, your product that you bought, and then you click on Pay Now. Now, another thing that you can also do is you can go to the suggested shop and shop by shop. Okay, so you select the shop you want to go to. I selected this makeup shop, and this is what I did. So this is how my post looks like. I've tagged the company. I've also been able to edit my post, make sure I put the right stuff to be eye-catching. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to add a tag. So I'm tagging Essence Makeup, and then you want to also add the product. When you click on add tag in the product section, is going to tell you what is the product. Now you are able to save affiliate products that you think you will be able to use in the next post that you do. So I've already saved this one, and it makes it so much easier when you save. So everything is done. I put in any other stuff I want to make changes to. Yeah, I just add all those changes in there. I click my location because it's really good to click on location. I don't want it to go into yeah, so you also can add a shop. So if you have a shop, you can open a shop for products that you've recommended. I've not yet done that. I'm going to set that up next time. And you can see as I refresh, this is what my post looks like. It has the product logo at the bottom and at the top. And this is it. Thanks for watching.